Good evening, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease. And in this video I want us to understand example 7 of Algebra 8, still under functions. And the question is quite simple, is asking us to find the range of the function fx, which is 2x plus 1, if the domain is -1, 0, 1, and 2. And I want us to do something very simple. What we can see here is actually the process, and these are the raw materials. So what kind of the product are we going to have if we have this raw material go through this process? And in this case, I would want to line up the raw materials here on my left, and I want to have like the first raw material is -1, the second raw material is 0, the other one is 1, and finally we have 2. And what is the process? The process is anything that gets into this factory, it has to be multiplied by 2 and then added 1. So the process is 2x plus 1. What kind of the product or the range? The range is actually what we are calling the product in our explanation. So when -1 is the first input, 2 times -1 is -2. -2 plus 1 is -1. What about 0? 0 times 2 is 0, plus 1 is 1. What about 1? 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1, we have a 3. What about 2? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is a 5. So it is very clear that -1 maps to or matches with -1, 0 matches with 1, 1 matches with 3, and 2 matches with 5. So let me repeat the question and explain again. Find the range of the function f 2x plus 1 if the domain is -1, 0, 1, and 2. Find the range. In other words, what are the final product? The range is actually talking about the final product. When the first input is -1, we have a final product of -1. When we have an input of 0, we have a product of 1, and so on and so forth. And that is just the end of this question. So the range are, we can summarize the range as have -1, 1, 3, and 5. That is the range. Thank you, and let us meet in the next video.